Well, still sitting in the car park. I was just thinking I could try making one of the paper planes, because Nanny's still not ready to go home yet. So we've got the paper, we've got the instructions. It's quite thick paper, not really thick, but I've had thinner in these kits. So let's find one of their paper designs. Very simple paper dart. Just to flick through some of the others. The canard, which has a sort of a sticky out front bit. And then they talk about straw glider. You actually make the straw by wrapping one of the bits of paper around a pencil, and then you need a couple of loops for that. I've done those before. And then using styrofoam trays to make different shaped aeroplanes. Cardboard, flying fish, eagle. Some information about how aeroplanes go, and some diagrams that you could enlarge and stick onto styrofoam. So let's do the basic dart. What colours have we got? Oh, that stuff's even thicker. That's card. That's paper. So the basic. I haven't got a flat surface to do this on, so this may not end up perfect. Again. You really do want to do this on a flat surface. The top back. So there. It's going to be quite a narrow dart. There we are, a basic dart. I suppose I could just go and throw that, couldn't I? See how it flies. Just happen to have the hat camera in the back of the car, so we'll just throw this, see what happens. alright. Give it a little bit of up elevator. It's going well into the wind. Yeah, that works. Yeah, I think we can call that a successful design. So, when the rubber band launcher is finished, we've got something to try it with. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.